Okay, let me see. It's an earthquake. This guy is Bradley Dean, and he's gonna shotgun this beer.
Alright, first we must think this through thoroughly. Not the repercussions.
Oh God.
You gotta drink it fast as you can. Oh, it's all over.
That's alcohol abuse. It's all gone?
You know that I'm taking?
That was not cute.
You're psycho.
He's fucked up right now.
Bad.
That's right. I find more than about
Alright? No, we hear you cannot shotgun an earthquake. That's not good for nobody. I'll get Johnny. You the water hose?
What do you guys think about this?
This shit is fucking hilarious. It's hilarious. Look at this white boy.
What do you think, Dan the man?
want to cut. How could you do that to somebody? Make him shotgun an earthquake? That's
I didn't think it was that bad.
Yeah,
You ever drink an earthquake? It's
No.
just beer.
He got off. Like,
No, that's what strong
that
alcohol is.
shit's
That's what that is.
some shit.
That shit. Towel.
Cute.
No?
Bebe.
Fucked up right now. Fucked up.
There. Use a towel, okay?
That Earth guy, he was white, nigga. For real.
Water.
Water.
Stan. Can you give me a cigarette, please?
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you, Carl.
Throw up on this guy.
No, don't do that.
Wow.
That was tight,
I
dude.
gave him
Is
a
that
free
why they
earth.
call it earthquake?
Yeah, you just got earthquake. They just rocked your
Wow,
ass.
and it was warm.
Yeah, imagine that shit
It was
cold.
hot warm.
One of those had me fucked off for hella long, so you don't want... Yeah, what's up, man? Hello, ladies.
Well,
How you doing?
well. I bet till this
What's your
moment,
name?
you've
Tell
never
the
met
girls where you're
somebody quite
from.
as either stupid or as crazy as I.
775 Reno, Nevada. You know where I'm from. You know this house. You know, if you single ladies want something good, come fuck
I
this
am
boy, 'cause,
42 years
it's
old.
mob over here. You
You've
feel
got
me?
some years to go before you become quite possibly.
What?